Are we alone in the universe? Could there be countless sentient life forms out there just waiting to be found? We have reached a turning point in society. According to renowned theoretical physicist Michio Kaku, the next 100 years of science will determine whether we perish or thrive. Will we remain a Type 0 civilization, or will we advance and make our way into the stars? Experts assert that as a civilization grows larger and becomes more advanced, its energy demands will increase rapidly due to its population growth and the energy requirements of its various machines. With this in mind, the Kardashev Scale was developed as a way of measuring a civilization's technological advancement based upon how much usable energy it has at its disposal. The scale was originally designed in 1964 by the Russian astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev, who was looking for signs of extraterrestrial life within cosmic signals. It has 3 base classes, each with an energy disposal level: Type 1, Type 2, and Type 3. Other astronomers have extended the scale to Type 4 and Type 5. The energy available to this kind of civilization would equal that of all energy available in not just our universe, but in all universes and in all timelines. These additions consider both energy access as well as the amount of knowledge the civilizations have access to. First, it is important to note that the human race is not even on this scale yet. Since we still sustain our energy needs from dead plants and animals, here on Earth, we are a lowly Type 0 civilization, and we have a long way to go before being promoted to a Type 1 civilization. But what does each of these categories actually stand for in literal term? Well, let's dive right in. Things are about to get deep. A Type 1 civilization. This is a given species who have been able to harness all the energy that is available from a neighboring star, gathering and storing it to meet the energy demands of a growing population. This means that we would need to boost our current energy production over 100,000 times to reach this status. However, being able to harness all Earth's energy would also mean that we could have control over all natural forces. Human beings could control volcanoes, the weather, and even earthquakes. At least that is the idea. These kinds of feats are hard to believe, but compared to the advances that may still be to come, these are just basic and primitive levels of control. It's absolutely nothing compared to the capabilities of societies with higher rankings. Achieving such a level of energy mastery would require significant technological advancements. This might involve developing sophisticated systems like Dyson spheres or Dyson swarms to capture a substantial portion of our sun's energy output. And with such advanced technology, there would be profound implications for our environment and society. For instance, while the ability to control natural forces could seem like a dream come true, it also raises ethical concerns and environmental risks. Research into ecological modeling and environmental ethics would be crucial to ensure that such power is used responsibly and sustainably. Additionally, the transition to a Type 1 civilization would reshape social and political dynamics. Access to abundant energy resources could alleviate poverty, but might also spark geopolitical tensions. Research into governance models and conflict resolution strategies would be essential for navigating these challenges. Furthermore, as our civilization expands beyond Earth, research into space exploration technologies and sustainable habitats would be critical for enabling long-term human presence in space. Furthermore, achieving Type 1 status would prompt profound reflections on the nature of existence and our place in the universe. Philosophical inquiries into topics like the Fermi paradox and the search for extraterrestrial intelligence would flourish. And as our capabilities expand, so too do our ethical responsibilities. Research into ethical frameworks and the responsible use of advanced technologies would be imperative for ensuring a just and equitable society. A Type 2 civilization has reached a level of advancement where it can harness the entire energy output of its host star. This is not merely about transforming starlight into usable energy, but entails full control over the star itself. One of the most discussed methods for achieving this is through the concept of a Dyson sphere, a hypothetical megastructure that would encompass the star entirely, capturing a significant portion, if not all, of its energy output for utilization by the civilization. Alternatively, mastery over fusion power, the mechanism that powers stars, could enable the construction of colossal reactors to meet the civilization's energy needs. These reactors could tap into nearby gas giants, siphoning off their hydrogen resources over time. The implications of such vast energy capabilities for a species are staggering. For instance, a Type 2 civilization would possess unparalleled defensive capabilities. In the scenario of a celestial threat, such as a large asteroid or rogue planet on a collision course with their inhabited worlds, they would have the power to avert disaster. They could either vaporize the threat or manipulate the gravitational fields to alter the trajectory of celestial bodies, ensuring the safety of their civilizations. The ability to redirect or neutralize cosmic threats grants them a level of security unmatched by any known force in the universe. Furthermore, the surplus energy available to a Type 2 civilization renders it virtually immune to extinction. With such abundance, they could sustain themselves indefinitely, even in the face of catastrophic events. This disposable energy provides a safeguard against natural disasters, resource depletion, or any other existential threats that may arise. It not only ensures the survival of the civilization, but also opens up vast possibilities for exploration, expansion, and the advancement of knowledge and technology. Moreover, the transition from controlling a planet to mastering a star represents a monumental leap in the evolution of a civilization. It signifies a level of control over cosmic phenomena that was once the realm of science fiction. The ability to manipulate the energy output of a star grants them unprecedented influence over their cosmic neighborhood, enabling feats that were once unimaginable. From shaping planetary systems to engineering stellar phenomena, the possibilities for exploration and discovery become boundless. A Type 3 civilization marks the apex of technological advancement, where a species transcends the confines of its home galaxy to become galactic traversers. Mastery over all aspects of energy propels them to the status of a master race. In the case of humanity, the journey to this stage entails hundreds of thousands of years of evolution, both biological and mechanical. The inhabitants of a Type 3 civilization may bear little resemblance to the humans we know today. They could be cybernetic organisms, blending biological and robotic components seamlessly. Regular humans, if they still exist, would likely be regarded as a subspecies within this highly advanced society, perceived as inferior by their cybernetic counterparts. At this stage, colonies of self-replicating robots could populate the galaxy, colonizing star after star and constructing Dyson spheres to harness the energy of each sun. However, expansion on such a scale faces formidable challenges, particularly the limitations imposed by the laws of physics, such as the universal speed limit of light. Unless the civilization develops technologies like warp drives or master wormhole teleportation, still theoretical concepts, they would be confined to slower-than-light travel, limiting their reach across the cosmos. Nikolai Kardashev envisioned a Type 3 civilization as the pinnacle of advancement and did not extend his scale beyond this point. However, some speculate about the existence of Type 4 civilizations, which could harness the energy content of the entire universe. Such beings might reside within supermassive black holes or tap into energy sources beyond our current understanding of physics. The prospect of a Type 4 civilization challenges our notions of what is achievable, pushing the boundaries of scientific imagination. Even beyond Type 4, there's speculation about Type 5 civilizations, where beings would possess godlike abilities to manipulate the universe at will. While humanity is currently a far cry from such heights, it's not beyond the realm of possibility with diligent care for our planet and each other. Preserving Earth, fostering global cooperation, and advancing scientific knowledge are crucial steps toward unlocking the potential for such extraordinary advancements. As we ponder the vast reaches of the cosmos and the potential of civilizations beyond our own, let's remember the common thread that binds us all, our shared humanity. Whether we dream of harnessing the energy of stars or traversing galaxies, the journey begins here, on our tiny blue planet we call home. In our quest for knowledge and advancement, let's not forget the importance of unity and compassion. Regardless of our differences, we are all fellow travelers on this journey through life. Let's cherish our planet, preserve its beauty, and work together to build a future where everyone can thrive. So let's look to the stars with wonder and curiosity, but let's also look inward with kindness and empathy. For it is in coming together as a global community that we can truly reach for the stars and unlock the boundless potential that lies within us all. Together, let's dare to dream, explore, and create a future that's brighter and more extraordinary than we ever imagined.